It's going to help my business a lot. You guys taught me a lot, and I appreciate it, because I wouldn't be this far without you guys. Me trying to do it on my own, I couldn't do it, you know. I didn't know enough, I guess, to do this part of my business. Just knowing how to do the website and keep it up, and even like with Facebook and Instagram and all that, and putting it all together with my webpage, I didn't know I could do all that. I had no idea. So I'm really thinking that you guys helping like this was gonna help me a lot. Oh, out of 5, 5. Like I said, you guys did a tremendous job in helping me.